Hello, I'm Jamie, this is Anti-Chef, and welcome to the second ever Jamie versus Jamie Showdown. A challenge where I pick a recipe off the British celebrity chef's website and make it. Today's recipe, a spicy risotto. Okay, this is a two-parter. You start with a basic risotto recipe. You do that first, and that leads into the spicy pangrattata recipe, which is not too tricky. I know Jamie Oliver's a risotto master.
And there you go, look at that. All right, that's done.
Just playing the same sport as him. Happy to compete. I need a food processor. Up there. The zest of a lime. 3 chilies. I seriously went to the store to buy 3 chili peppers. This was the only thing available. It's kind of a waste. It's a good one. 4 cloves of garlic. Anchovies. All right, let's stop right here. I follow a very strict code of living. If the Ninja Turtles don't like a type of food,
you put anchovies on this thing and you're in big trouble, okay?
They're not going in my risotto. Ciabatta bread. Whiz it all together until the whiz. W-H-I-Z. Whiz it all together until it starts to look like breadcrumbs. Time to move on to the basic risotto recipe. Peel and finely chop 1 onion. Every time. Good God. Finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Ugh. Finely chop a head of celery. Chicken stock. In a small pan, Jamie wants me to heat oil and a small knob of butter. What is a knob in cooking terms?
Give me a moment. I found something on the web about what is a knob in cooking terms. Check it out.
It's basically a lump of butter. You don't need to be so technical, Jamie. I hope this pan is big enough. I'm gonna switch over to this slightly larger pan. There we go. Okay, these vegetables have been cooking on low, medium heat for about 15 minutes. Add half this bag of rice. This isn't your standard rice. This is arborio rice. It's a bit more runtier. Keep stirring for about a minute until the rice starts to look translucent. Okay. 2 full wine glasses of white wine. Keep stirring until the wine has evaporated into the rice. Jamie says it's gonna smell fantastic. And he's right, it does smell fantastic. The rice has cooked into the wine. Now I gotta add some chicken stock, ladle by ladle. Add a good pinch of salt. Turn the heat down to a simmer so the rice doesn't cook too quickly on the inside. Jamie says that if I keep adding ladlefuls of chicken stock to this and I keep stirring it, it's gonna massage the starchiness out of the rice. I just gotta allow each ladleful of the stock to be absorbed, and then I move on to the next ladleful of chicken stock. Carry on adding the stock until the rice is soft, but with a slight bite. Getting there. Grating the Parmesan cheese. This is ready. Turn off the heat. Beat in another knob of butter. Jamie. Cheese. Little pepper. A little bit more salt. Let this sit for a minute. God damn it, I think I did it. That rhymed. Hi. I thought it was done, but I completely forgot these breadcrumbs. I'm supposed to fry these in a frying pan in olive oil until they're darkened and crispy. I gotta do this really quickly. You didn't think I could go a whole episode without forgetting something, right? Risotto!
Whoa! Yum. That looks really good.
Us Jamies put it together.
Not that spicy.
It's not spicy at all.
Maybe you didn't get enough chilies. The risotto is cooked really well. It's perfect. There's a little crunch to the rice. It's creamy, a little cheesy. This is a huge success for you.
I don't know who wins the Jamie versus Jamie.
He should come and you should challenge him to a battle.
Right.
Come to anti-chef. Do you think you could actually beat him?
Maybe at Mario Kart. If you are enjoying the program, subscribe, like, comment, and there's just one thing left to do. Here, have a chili pepper.
What?